Greetings from Snake Mountain Boatworks on Wednesday, November 11, 2020. Now that'll make a Flathead 6 stand up in shame. This flagship V8 is a big block, 442 stroker with every race detail that could be built into her. She's now producing 502 horsepower. Well, that engine probably wants a big boat, which is correct. And here's the boat. She was built in 1992 using John Hacker plans by John Ford in the Thousand Islands area of New York State. She's 26 feet long. The hull is cold molded mahogany. The construction has oak frames and is a pretty, if we look at the hull sides, is a pretty standard carvel planked methodology. But my Lord, it's taken Anthony and me well over a week of time to get her stripped. We're about 95% of the way there. You can see we have a little more work here. She has a long aft deck. And she is going to be finished in the manner of, well, think of a 1938 19-foot Chris double cockpit forward runabout. Covering boards, king plank, very dark. The deck planking is blonde, and the hull side planking will be almost black. This is the engine bay. This is the forward cockpit. We bought her from a fellow in Asheville, North Carolina, who is related to the folks who built the engine. What John did was to build the hull and then send it to Florida for power. Well, we've got the power, we've got the hull, we've got her stripped. We'll be finishing our sanding and the last little bit of stripping, and flip her over, finish the bottom, flip her back over, and then it's time to bleach, stain, seal with Smith's clear penetrating epoxy sealer. Not the Pretenders. Just had another poor person who unwittingly was shipped one of the Pretenders, and he now has to take his beloved boat from having applied the first 3 coats and done all the prep beforehand, and he has to strip it to bare wood. We use the real stuff. Once we have her stained and sealed, then it's varnish time. We have the original upholstery, all the original hardware. Can't wait to have this puppy in the water next summer. So there's your introduction to Miss Packard. 1992, John Ford built, John Hacker design, 26-foot gentleman's racer. Thank you so much. Bye-bye for now from Snake Mountain Boatworks.